Good morning, everybody. It is beautiful Florida morning. We're on a repair, 500 square foot. The tank is up there where my machine's at. It's very tight. Well, what's new? But we're gonna do 2 lines right here in front of the shed to the pool, and we're gonna do 3 lines on that side going down a little bit back behind the pool cage. But it's 500 square, ARC 24 chambers, so there's 34 of them. A lot of stuff happening right now. I hope you guys enjoyed the last video. It was fun to make. We're gonna jump on it right now though. All right, well, we got this one done. Got 2 lines of 11, 2 lines of 6, 500 square feet, nice and shallow, very dry soil. And that's it. We're tired. It's really hot. We're gonna go get some lunch, and I'll see you guys in just a little bit. All right, another day, another dollar. We are on this new construction, putting the tank right in the area where the bucket's at. Drain field's going where I'm walking right now. The tank's going back there. We're gonna set it up out of the ground at the customer's request because she did not want a lift station. The original plan, how I drew the site plan up, was for the tank to go right here because that's where it's currently, that's where the plumbing is stubbed out of. It's stubbed out of the front, so was put in the tank, you know, where the stub out was. Drain field, same location, but she didn't want that. She asked me to change it. We're gonna put the tank back here. We're gonna set it up out of the ground, and I'm gonna make that look good with some fill. It is 500 square foot, 1060 tank right there, as always. But right now, have some math to do, try to figure out where we're putting this tank exactly at the depth. So enjoy. square foot, 1060, nice and high. Gravity, no lift station, just like the customer wanted. Like I said, we're gonna dress it up. You see the tank sticking out of the ground a little bit, so we'll dress that up. Already did a little bit, but when we get fill brought in, we'll make it look like it's just all part of this area. So yeah, 34 chambers, ARC 24s. That's 500 square foot. We got the wraparound, back header, whatever you like to call it, whatever you do call it. That's code. It's an above ground system, so it gets the wraparound. We'll be covering tomorrow, and we'll see you guys then. Appreciate you watching. Alright, we are back on this job. You guys missed us cover the one yesterday because we didn't grab a camera out of the truck. It was tight. You didn't miss much. And that's it for now. We're waiting on dirt. We have 6 loads coming. I don't think I'm gonna need 6. Probably end up with about 4. And then we're gonna get it raked out. It is gonna be a little mound, but you won't be able to tell because of the grade. So customers should be happy. That's it. Well, we got that one done. Got it covered up. Look at this though. Look at all that. Chambers. We got another pallet delivered yesterday, so these ones are the low pros. So hopefully that's a sign of good things. Hopefully they're able to keep up with the demand now and they're caught up. Right now I am headed over to a job and I'm gonna start the excavation. Alright, we're out here on the job site. Warm up the machine really quick. This is it. The excavation site is going to be here. Hold on one second. They have all that. They could have easily pumped this wherever they wanted. Out here, as long as the setbacks and all that were met. That's not what they did. So I'm putting it where it's drawn up. I got my excavation done. 20 inches. It's enough room. We have to go a foot past on each side than we actually need, so that's enough room for 375 in there, plus the foot on each end, side, all that good stuff. I'm done. I got some estimates to go do. I gotta go drop this machine off for Monday's job. That's it for this video. It's a wrap. I appreciate you guys watching. Like, comment, share, subscribe. I love all the comments. I say that on every video, but they just keep coming, and more of them are coming in, and I like them. I like replying to you guys. I like talking back and forth with you guys that also do septic in other places, and you guys have different rules, different styles. I love it and enjoy it. That's why I do the videos. So on that note, it's Friday. I'm done working. I'm going home. I appreciate you guys watching. I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.